When you're doing screen grabs in Rhino, you'll soon get really tired of that gray, dull background and everyone's images kind of looking the same. So here are a few tips for exporting PDFs of your models that will make things look a little bit more interesting if you want to convey your ideas. So here is the little vase that we modeled in class. The first thing I'm going to do is show you zoom extend. So right now you can see all my views are sort of all over the place. If I wanted to see all of them in full view, I can go to View, Zoom, Zoom extends all. I can also do it by selected, so just perspective or all my selected objects. But if I do Zoom extends all, it sort of brings everything into nice focus like this. Great. So the next thing I'm going to do is remove the grid. So I'm going to type in grid and smooth this down a bit. I'm going to say don't show the grid, don't show the grid axes, and do this for all viewports. Great, done. Now the next thing I might want to do is change all of my views to shaded. And I can do other things like change the background. So I'm going to go to Rhinoceros, Preferences, and Colors. And maybe I want my viewport background to be white or a different color, maybe blue. Actually, let's choose a nice blue here. I'm going to go in here and just create a pleasant blue background. Something like this, okay. And then lastly, you can see this image or this model is this color because my layer color is that color. So let's change this to maybe also something like this. Now, in addition, you'll see that I'm seeing all my ISO curves, and I can switch this off by selecting my object, coming down here and saying, unclicking ISO curves. There we go. So now we can export this. So I'm actually going to go to File, Print. That's going to bring up the print dialog. And here you can say, I want to do the right view or the front view. In this case, let's do the perspective view. And I'm going to make sure I have my output color, display color. I am 8.5 by 11 inches. That's fine. And I will say PDF, save as PDF. And just save this here. And now you'll see when I open this, I have a nice color image of my model.